It's December 3rd, it's a Thursday. This week has been a pretty good week, and I just wanted to do a little shout out to my friend Christy. It's her birthday today, it's her birthday week. I figured of all the people that might be watching these videos, she's probably one of them. And actually, I think Bill's in the studio shooting some stuff. Let's go see what he's doing. I'll get back to it and I'll talk to you soon. It's a lens pen. Oh shit. I was going to say a lens pen is a good thing to get somebody for Christmas, but it is. So Bill got these smoke grenade things that you've probably seen in photographs. And we're going to go to I've never seen one go off, so he's going to show me. He's going to give me a first-person view. Do I do it and throw? Do it and throw? Or
yeah, you can just pull it and I think just toss it over there.
Or do I put it in my mouth?
You can hold them. A lot of people like hold them.
Ah.
It's a lot of freaking smoke.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's going out. Hey, how much you got? Skills. It is Saturday, December 5th, and I am on my way to the studio to pick up some gear for a video shoot today with a company called IIDA. It's International Interior Designers Association.
You could stop, sing a little ditty, and then come back and.
Oh yes.
This is not live TV.
No.
Take your time with your answers.
So if you're not comfortable or you want to say something differently, you can just stop and start,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
Yeah.
We're very, very free here.
Yep.
We had this challenge that we shot in O'Hare Airport, and we couldn't clear the spaces that we were photographing. And there's like, you know, and then there's like there's boxes stacked up. And she was like, why didn't you take all these boxes? I was like, we had no freedom, and it was a 2-hour shoot, and we had to shoot 8 places.
Yeah.
Last night we had dinner with our friends Miles and Elizabeth Cooley and Jay and Elizabeth's mom Sharon. And it was a nice dinner. We went to this place called Do Sex. If you have never been there, it's very good. It's in Pilsen. I'm gonna get a car wash too. Get my undercarriage washed. Forward, 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 stop! Should open the windows. Tonight I'm going to go over to JBTV Studios to meet with other photographers, possibly. We're just going to meet, have some beers, talk about Photoshop and cameras and Scott Weiland passing away this week, stuff like that.
Love you. Have fun.
You better love me. You can keep that water. It's quite possibly the slowest elevator in the entire world. Gotta press the door close button.
Jeremy Witteveen, answer.
Call the golf cart vendor.
What's up, guys?
You know what? We will pay you directly.
Hey, cousin D, how's it, brother? How's it going? Very happy holidays, all that stuff.
Are you shooting a vlog right
God
Yeah.
damn with that beat.
Hey.
My face or
I'm Jeremy.
Jared Lyle.
Lyle.
my other buddy.
Bobby, I'm Jeremy.
Pleasure. Oh, no,
Yeah.
I just call you JW.
You can.
He's got a drone, and our other buddy's got a drone now, and we were outside of the driftwood.
Did you see the
and
footage
we're
of
flying
this?
it super high, and it's coming
Yeah.
down, and there's an 18-wheeler pulling up with the red light. I was like,
Yeah.
landed on the 18-wheeler.
Hey, bring it down, dude. Bring it down on it. No, you got a red light, man. Please bring it down on that. Please bring it down on that. Please, Nick. Please, Nick, bring it down on that. Please, Nick. Please, Nick. Please, Nick.
If it lands, it won't.
Hey, watch. Use your FPV. You landed on it.
And then it won't take off again. So the 18-wheeler turns down Broadway. Nick jumps in his van, throws his controller down, jumps in the van, starts chasing it. Me and Jeremy are sprinting down Broadway after this 18-wheeler.
Trying to catch it.
Our drone on top, and then it finally like slid off. I think at the McDonald's on Wilson.
I broke my guards and I broke a propeller, but it's fine.
This is the middle of a song, too.
So you didn't know it was coming?
Oh, God, no. We don't know anything that ever happens at JBTV. You've been here and saw that already.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I haven't seen
Nothing this epic, though. This is pretty cool. Unbelievable.
They're a bunch of sheep. I don't know. It's like any other.
Bill, you need that shirt, dude. In case you couldn't hear what I was saying back there in the car wash, I was saying I'm excited because this, oh shit, I think I just got a ticket.